Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel. Hope you're having a great day. So this will be the second video today actually, and this will be more kind of my game plan, more kind of just kind of looking at where I see it going, what kind of plans I'm going with, what I'm looking out for, and the reason behind why I'm doing what I'm doing. So, anyways, let's start off the video. So I'm gonna kind of start off with I'm gonna do a bearish and I'm gonna do a bullish side, and then I'm gonna pick beside kind of my plan, my game plan. It doesn't matter if it's bearish or bullish. You're trading, doesn't matter. So just off the bearish side, we'll start off with this. Now this is a big worry for me. If we can see, we just take a look here now, is pure decrease in volume. You know, we had this big spike here, and yeah, we had a bit of volume here, but other than that, like, volume has absolutely decreased. If we go to the daily, you can see we had two lovely huge days, and this is our third day today, but it doesn't look like it's gonna finish anything above the second day, so it's probably gonna be a downward slope and kind of volume, which is never good to see. It is a bearish indicator. And obviously, if that was to level out, like with the RSI completely oversold here, it would be good to see, kind of, probably to see a bit of a drop off here in the daily chart, even. And the 4 hours kind of just back under now, so which is good to see. So if you can see, they're kind of Bitcoin's kind of finding support around this area that I was saying, about 49.20, about there, and we're kind of hovering literally about the 49.60 range, where it is now, 49.70, 49.80, just around that range, kind of peaking off the 5,000 region. Like, there's no real like resistance on the 5,000 region, but it's more kind of a mental resistance, you know. It's the number itself. So from there, the RSI is completely oversold on the daily, which the 4 hour is just back into normal range now, which is good to see. But on the daily, it's completely oversold. We do have the 21-month moving average on its way down. I'll go through that in a different video. It's more kind of an important video. I won't kind of go into that on this, but it's a big indicator, and it's as you kind of expect, like the 200 weekly moving average kind of is the same with the 21-month. Not the same, like, you wouldn't hold it into account as much as 200 weekly moving average, but yeah. And on top of that, even if we do go up from here, we do have a massive resistance about the 6,000 level, which it's just not going to break. Just be simple, it's just not. I just don't see it breaking at all. And as for 5,800 level, should be okay. 5,500 more resistance there. So, and on top of that, we have the BLX chart, which has ticked red for the first time since the 6,000 drop off, and then since the 20k drop off. So usually there will be a bit of a wait, like, you know, it won't just, oh, as soon as it turns red it's going to drop. But every other time it has turned red in the coming weeks or month or whatever, it has had a significant drop off. So just take that into account as well. Now let's go on to the bullish side. So on the bullish side, we have nice kind of a distribution zone kind of forming here around the 49.50, 49.20, around that range, which is good to see. RSI is leveling out on the 1 hour and 4 hour, which is great to see as well. and we have some nice support underneath us if we were to drop lower. So if we go down, we have very good support around the 4200 region, which is it will support. I don't see us dropping back down under that anytime soon. Maybe in the future, but no time soon. But nice support on 4200, which is great to see. We have, in the last 7 days, Google Trends has significantly increased. So a lot more people are looking into Bitcoin, a lot more people are searching Bitcoin, which is great to see. It can only be good for the market, the more interest, more people looking to buying, whatever. So we have more resistance around 4700, which is it's nice resistance. It's not too bad, but I was kind of eyeing up some longs around this region, but I'm probably going to take a long about 46, 47, and then I will have another long set for around 41 to 4200. Kind of a smaller long here and the bigger long around 42. I'll have a short probably around 58 or 55. I have not decided yet. Probably 5800, nice big short, maybe small. Probably I won't do a short around 55, but 58 I'll have a nice short, and then a massive short around the 5950 to 6000, which it's going to be a lovely rejection off that. There'll be massive profits to be made. It's just going to be textbook like. So Google Trends picking up, more people interested in the market, and a lot of dumb money probably coming in as well, which if you're a trader, great to see. I don't think it's bad at all. They're just buying for the sake of it, and the market's bearish. Like, the market is still bearish at the moment. Until we break 6,000, it's bearish. Now we are in a little short-term bullish kind of sentiment, but it's bearish long term, like until 6,000 is broken. So I will look to probably reopen some longs about around here, big longs, and maybe smaller long around here, and I will be taking profits probably around 55, and I will be taking profits at 58, and then taking the rejection the whole way back down, hopefully. And if it rises above 58, that's completely okay. I'll have my stop loss set about 6,050. So I expect to be able to grab another short right around 6,000 if it does go up, which is even better in my opinion. So definitely will be taking profits so along the way. 55, we don't know how it's going to take to it. We kind of did drop short of 5,500, 53.65, which is a bit odd to see, but still it kind of could give it a bit more leeway to move up before it takes a rejection right back down. So that's two. There is ways I do see it playing out, which is probably up, and then we could be coming right back down, taking out to 55. We could come up off to 58, right back down, or we could really, just with the decrease in volume, and I'll have a nice sell off right down here, which is possible to see, of course. And if it happens, that happens. No big deal. And yeah. So that's my game plan anyways. As for kind of risk to reward, I think there's low risk around the 4200 region, and there is low risk around the 58, 59, 6,000 for short, and low risk around the 4200 for a long, which I'm probably going to be going about 10x leverage for them. And as for taking a long position here now around the 49 to kind of ride up to 55, there is a bit of risk in that, a good bit of risk in that, but it is possible, of course. I was debating it myself. I did take a small little long, took a 15 or 20% profit or something like that, just quick flip on a 10x leverage. But I kind of need a few more bars to be formed in here, a few more 4-hour probably bars, kind of to say for definite whether if we're forming support around this region and if it will hold. So from from that, and then we can go up to 58. Sorry, 55. Taking a short around 55 is risky, in my opinion. I do see if we're gonna go up, we're gonna probably test the top, and maybe test 55, come back down, and then maybe back up to 58, 59. And then as for Ethereum, I do see plenty of opportunity here. It has dropped off from 180, which is a massive drop off. So where do I see this going from here? It has plenty of room to move back up, but in no way do I think it will break that 180 level. Maybe if it does go above it, it will not go much above it, but it will break the level slightly. It will peak above it, it will wick above it, and it's going from there right back down, probably to where we're at right now. Or if we're saying Bitcoin's going to retest around 4,200, as like a healthy correction. Not really, but maybe 44, 45. We could see Ethereum the whole way back down here, which would be massive profits if you can grab a nice short position. So I'm going to leave it at that anyways. Thank you so much for watching. I have more videos coming, kind of covering the Google Trends, kind of more in depth, the 21-month moving average, and the BLX chart. So they'll be coming soon. Thanks for watching, and I'm out. Peace.